Believers Radio. Believers Radio.
It's so quiet out here, I don't even hear a sound. It's so quiet out here, nobody's even around. I think I'm losing my mind. I think I'm losing my mind. I think I'm wasting the time. I think I'm wasting mine. I don't turn down, I just turn up. If you don't see me, you know the party ain't lit.
Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop a hit every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this the Kid Laroi Drumkit 2021 called City Night. There's so many sounds in here in City Night. There's 808s, there's claps, there's FX, there's hats, there's kicks, there's midis, there's percussion and snaps, and there's snares. You know, everything has been nicely processed. As always, all you gotta do is just drag and drop. Believers Records, you know, man, we always got you 24/7 as far as high quality and amazing sounds is concerned. So before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So as I said, I'll always be dropping the beat before I drop the drum kit. The beat is already there, but I try to do it a little bit different this time. So there's an acapella on top of it, just to, change up, just mix up things, a little bit, just get things a little bit interesting. So instead of just having a beat there, I put an acapella so anyone can actually, just listen to the beat and actually, get entertained. That's all we do here. So I'm gonna start you off first with the midis, then we'll get back to the drums. So I'll be using this grand piano by Nixus to demonstrate the midis. So there's like at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 midis, 7 amazing midis just for you, man, just to get you started in that beat making process. So let's go ahead and just load up the first midi, which is called Act Willing. Right, so you can use whatever BPM you like. I'll be using the default BPM by FL Studio. So let's go ahead and listen to that. Sorry, let me just turn this up. I feel like it's low. Alright, second MIDI, which is actually called City Night. Alright, Doorman. Alright, Feelings Hurt. Alright, Guap. Alright, Hate Speech. Alright, Ungrateful. Yeah, That's it for the midis, man. So you can go as far as tweaking the midis if you don't like what you're hearing. Yeah, it's all up to you, man. So let's go ahead and move move further. So I'll start off first with the 808s before I jump into the drums. All right, claps, effects. All right, hats. So kicks. So percussion. Snares. Yeah, man, that's it. That's it for city night. That's it for the city night. It's crazy, man. So link in the description down below. It should be pretty much, straightforward. Downloaded this. But if you get any problems, just hit me up on my number, or you can say something in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you quick. So yeah, man, that's it. So enjoy the drum kit. Make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Namaste. Stay safe. Goodbye.